We are basically into the manufacture of copper cyanide pigments. So the major product here, what we produce is CPC crude, and then we are manufacturing the pigments related to CPC crude like the alpha blue, the beta blue, and the pigment green 7. That's a major area.
What is your market share?
We at the moment have a capacity of 40,000 tons of CPC crude. 40,000 tons is a new capacity that we have put up, and this new capacity is about 33% of the whole world.
That's great. And what have been your major achievements in last 1 year?
We have put up a new swanking new plant, which is a absolutely computerized, computer-controlled plant. The capacity of CPC crude there is about 40,000 tons per year. And that's a major achievement.
Well, what are your unique strengths?
We are one of the most low-cost producers with a very sizable capacity, and the quality-wise also we are one of the leading manufacturers here in India and the world.
What are the major triggers for growth? I mean, from where the growth is coming for your products and services?
We have learned how to produce CPC crude with the best possible quality and the lowest value addition and the lowest cost. That is what triggering the capacity expansions.
And how do you source your raw material, whether price appreciation is there also?
Yeah, raw material, we have two major raw materials which constitute about 85% of the total cost. And these raw materials are basically imported at this moment. Though India has a very large capacity of giving these two raw materials also. So there is absolutely no constraint for the raw material.
How company is faring on the export front?
We are a 100% export-oriented unit. So more than 70%, 80% we will be exporting. At this moment, whatever we produce, we export about 60% of our total product.
Which major countries you are exporting?
We are exporting throughout the world, but Europe at this particular point of time is a major country where we export.
Now, rupee getting stronger, what's your strategy?
That is why we have resorted to imports. We are trying to classify all our raw materials as well as our sales realization in terms of dollars only. So, import and export, that hedges the transaction.
How much is the value addition in your product?
In terms of percentage, it is about 20% of the total raw material is the value addition.
What steps you have taken to improve profit margins?
This new plant is basically a plant where not much of a human interface is there. It's a totally computerized plant. And we have invested quite heavily into the energy efficiency methods, whereby all the waste steam and all the waste heat is recovered, and that drives down the cost.
Will you explain more about the quality standards?
Quality standards look from start to finish. There is no person who handles the pigment. We have made it like a pharmaceutical plant, so that the quality standard as compared to the other chemicals which is there in the market, it is like pharmaceutical that we are producing. So that has improved our quality.
What are the challenges?
Challenges, well, China is a challenge. China is a threat. Then again, the falling dollar is definitely a risk that we run in this business.
What are the opportunities you see?
At the moment, after we achieve the full capacity of this new plant, we will be about 33% of the world capacity. And the opportunity is that we are planning to have an extremely backwardly integrated plant. That would mean that we further reduce the costs of production, and we will look at improving the market share from 33% also.
What is your business philosophy?
Volume at low cost and the top quality.
What are the major costs in your developing your product?
Raw material is the major cost. The value addition what we have over the raw materials is 20%. Electricity and fuel becomes a major cost in the value addition sphere, and that is where we have a major conservation plan.
What is your goal? How do you see your company 5 years onwards?
At the full production of about 40,000 tons, our company at the present prices should be having a turnover of about 700 crore rupees. And the full capacity achievement we have targeted at 2009. So by 2009 we should be in the league of about 700 to 800 crore rupees.
What is the secret of success of your growth and good work?
It's because the team is innovative, they have innovative ideas, they know how to do things in the most efficient way and in a very large capacity.
Anything else you would like to add?
No, we have dreamt very big here. This is by far the single largest facility of CPC crude in the world at a single place. So we want to assume that world leadership as far as our line is concerned, and we will strive to do that.
Thank you.